In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pages on your Gumroad profile. If you want to organize your profile a little better and highlight specific content for your audience, creating pages in Gumroad is a simple way to do it. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the process of adding a page and setting it up to display products clearly on your profile. To begin, go to your Gumroad dashboard and look at the menu on the left-hand side. From there, click on Profile. This will take you to the area where you can manage how your public profile looks and what visitors will see when they land on it. Once you're on the profile page, click on that. This section is where you can create and manage the different pages that appear on your Gumroad profile. It's useful if you want to separate content and make your storefront easier to browse. Next, click on Add Page. This creates a new page that you can customize. After that, click on Add Section. Sections help you decide what kind of content will appear on that page. So this is where the structure starts to come together. You'll now be asked to select what you want to display on the page. For this example, choose products. This is a practical option if you want your page to showcase items you're selling, and it makes the page more useful for visitors who are browsing your offers. After selecting products, enter a section name if you want to. This part is optional, so you can either give the section a clear label or leave it blank. A session name can be helpful if you want your page to look more organized or if you plan to add multiple sections later. Next, click the default sort order drop-down menu. This setting controls how the products will be arranged when they appear on the page. To show your latest items first, select newest. That way, anyone visiting the page will immediately see your most recently added products, which is often a good choice if you update your catalog regularly. Now, select the product you want to display on the page. Take a moment here to make sure you're choosing the right item, since this determines what visitors will see in that section. If you're building a more focused page, choosing carefully can make the experience feel cleaner and more intentional. Once everything looks good, click on Update Profile. This saves your changes and publishes the updated page setup to your Gumroad profile. And that's it. You've successfully created a page on your Gumroad profile and configured it to display products. If needed, you can always come back later and adjust the section name, sorting order, or product selection to better match how you want your profile to appear.